Welcome to Blue Springs, where homeowners take pride in their well-kept properties. But clogged gutters can lead to water damage, erosion, and even pest problems. That's where our gutter leaf guards come in. With years of experience in gutter protection, we offer solutions that ensure your gutters stay clean and functional all year long. Our gutter leaf guards prevent clogs, leaks, and costly repairs, so you can avoid the hassle and expense of cleaning your gutters every season. In Blue Springs, many homes face gutter-related issues every year. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter leaf guards keep debris out, ensuring a smooth flow of water away from your home. This not only protects your property from water damage, but also enhances its curb appeal and long-term value. Ready to protect your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.llc. The Gutter Guys, your reliable partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.